Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see investigate activities of connected apps in Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps. I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. So when you are at security.microsoft.com, you scroll down to Cloud Apps and click on Activity Logs. So Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps gives you visibility into all the activities from the connected apps. After you connect Defender for Cloud Apps to an app using the app connector, Defender for Cloud Apps scans all the activities that happen. The retroactive scan period differs per app, and then it's updated constantly with new activities. So this activity log can be filtered to enable you to find specific activities. You can create policies based on the activities and then define what you want to be alerted about and act on. For example, you can use the activity log to find users in your organization who are using operating systems or browsers that are out of the date. Defender for Cloud Apps in the activity log page uses the advanced filter and select user agent tag. So if you want based on the location also, you can select username as well, and if you will enable the advanced filter, you can add a filter, select a filter. In here you can, let me see what all options are available. Investigation, user agent tag. Let's see what all options we get under user agent tag. Outdated browser or outdated operating system. So you will enable a search filter like this. So let's say outdated operating system and outdated browser. You will get the results here. I do not see any results because this is my dev tenant. Then there is one thing called the activity drawer. You can view more information about each activity by selecting the activity itself in the activity log. This opens the activity drawer that provides the following additional actions, like what are the matched policies, you want to see the raw data, you want to select a user to view the user page for the user who performed that activity, you want to select the device type, you want the location, you want the IP address category, other than the filter that you will add here. Let's say I want to add a location here as well. So I'll do, and you can select multiple filters and then you can save these filters as well so that you don't have to do it again. Now something about user insights here. The investigation experience includes insights about the acting user. With a single click, you can get a comprehensive overview of the user, including which location they connected from, how many open alerts they are involved with, and their metadata information. So you will select an activity log, click on the user tab, and then you will, from that activity drawer, the user tab will provide about the open alerts, the matches, the number of policies that are being matched, the activities, the number of activities, the number of countries the user connected from in the past 30 days, the number of ISPs the user connected from in the past 30 days, the number of IP addresses the user connected from in the past 30 days. And then you will get more insights about the IP addresses because it is crucial for almost all investigations. And then you can view the detailed information about IP addresses in the activity drawer itself. If you want to export all these activities, you can just, in the activity log, you will select an option to export, and all the logs for that specific filter or for specific option will be collected or will be exported. Alright, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.